Welcome back, ELOC Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome to my home, garden, and lifestyle channel. If you like what you see, hit that like button. It's smoothie time. Gotta get in those 5 fruits and vegetables per day. Let me tell you what kind of deliciousness we've got up in this smoothie. We've got lemon, celery, strawberries. I see some banana in there. I also wanted to add some protein in my shake, so I threw in some of these walnuts. I do like my smoothies on the sweet side, so I added some of this raw cane. Time to blend it up. Did you know that strawberries are an excellent source of vitamin C and rich in antioxidants? Bananas are rich in potassium, which can help to lower blood pressure. Not only are lemons an excellent source of vitamin C, they're also an excellent source of vitamins B1, B2, and B6, which helps enzymes in our bodies do their jobs. I absolutely love my Vitamix blender. Every time I can count on this very smooth consistency. Hey, what's wrong with the little crunchy treat on top? Nothing. Now, you all know I love our 4 outdoor German Shepherds. But let me tell you about these indoor buddies of mine. They are a hoot. They keep me laughing. They're so funny. This is my second trip to the store. The first time I came in, they did not have all of their seeds out, so I'm hoping that they have them out today. If you're looking for things for Easter, it looks like my store is pretty well stocked. But that is not what I'm here for. I'm looking for those seeds. Oh wow, they've got seeds, you guys. Finally, they got the seeds. Seeds. All right, they've got get 4 of these. It looks like they had more, but I missed out. I came too late. When I came here the last time, they didn't have them out yet. All right, so I'm getting this Cayenne Long Slim Red. And this one is the Hungarian Yellow Wax. Montreux deal. Okay. Lavender. Don't need any lavender. Always use oregano. Thyme. And zinnia. And thyme. Oh, I did say I wanted to grow some cantaloupe. So get that started. Alyssum. California poppy. I'm not big on radish. Contender bush. All right. I love that beef steak. They've got Market More. I got all the seeds, y'all. These days, I'm no longer buying milk jugs at the store, so I had to hit up Starbucks. I knew they would have a ton. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. I've got to get started on my spring garden. By the way of winter sowing, if you've never heard of this method of growing. It has been a day. I've been running around, and it is time to shut it on down.
Sometimes it's your turn to sing. Dancing, dancing, dancing. Oh, baby. Move it, baby.
Well, my hometown team, the Baltimore Ravens, they got really, really close, but no cigar. They didn't make it, but that's all right. My mouth is about to get real close with this fried fish right now. I had some cabbage in the fridge that I needed to use up, so I went ahead and did that. Come through, Crystal. Gotta have my hot sauce. And it is coming down so fast. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.